Hello, my name is Jairo Alonso Beltran Jimenez. Um, this is activity presentation my son. Um, my history. This is my son. His name is Miguel Ángel Beltrán Garzón. Uh, his birthday is on March 19. He is 8 years old. He is a student. He is Colombian. He lives he lives in Bogota. He likes to dart. He likes ride a bike. He likes play soccer. My son routines begin in the early morning. He gets up at 5:13 a.m. He takes a shower every day. He has breakfast at 6 o'clock a.m., then brushes his teeth. He combs his hair and goes to school at 6:30 a.m. He leaves school at 1:30 p.m. and lunch at 2 o'clock p.m. He plays soccer on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. He does his homework at 5:30 p.m. We have dinner at 7 o'clock p.m. He brushes his teeth and watches television. He goes he goes to sleep at 8 o'clock p.m.